Our postgraduate programs are structured to equip students with knowledge, skills, and academic flexibility needed to excel in today's evolving technological landscape. Through a well-designed choice-based curriculum, students gain a strong grounding in fundamentals while also having the opportunity to pursue advanced courses aligned with their academic interests and professional aspirations. The Institute offers M.Tech programs across 10 specialized domains covering disciplines such as civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computing and data science, along with M.Sc programs in physics, chemistry and mathematics. With a balanced combination of core courses, electives and project work, these programs are designed to promote analytical thinking, technical competence and research aptitude. A distinctive strength of IIT Palakkad is the close interaction between faculty and students, complemented by access to modern laboratories and the opportunity to be part of a growing and vibrant academic environment. For those aspiring to deepen their expertise and prepare for advanced careers in industry, research or academia, IIT Palakkad offers a rewarding and intellectually stimulating postgraduate experience.